What's up, guys? So look, I wasn't even planning to make this video today, but I've been getting so many messages from people asking about AI trading bots and which ones actually work. And honestly, it's kind of depressing because most of you are getting scammed left and right. I've been in your shoes. Tried a bunch of platforms over the past couple years, got burned multiple times, almost gave up on the whole thing. But I eventually found one that's actually legit, so I figured I should just show you what I use instead of typing out the same response to everyone. Around 6 months ago, I came across TradeSmart, and it's literally been the only platform that hasn't screwed me over or pulled any sketchy moves. Everything works like it's supposed to. It's transparent and no weird stuff. Okay, so this is the main page. First thing, I need to choose my working preset. There's safe, optimal, and aggressive options. This determines how aggressively the bot trades, my risk level, profit expectations, and how much capital's needed. Just pick whatever feels comfortable. Okay, then I'm selecting the AI neural network, which AI engine's handling everything. And from what I've tested, auto select is definitely the way to go. It picks the best one consistently, and I've never had to manually change it. Next is investment amount, whatever you're comfortable with for this session. All right, then comes network selection based on congestion and what the fees look like. So I choose whichever has lower costs or just leave it auto select. And final step, hit start AI, which launches the process. So now I'm basically just monitoring it. Just gonna fast forward this part for you. Alright, so a few minutes passed and I've stopped the session, and here's the breakdown. My total balance, profits earned, trades executed, win rate percentage, and session time. There's also a console showing every move the bot made during that run. So now I just need to select the tokens and put in my address. 1 second. Okay, now I'm hitting confirm withdrawal. All right, processing. Good, tokens heading to my wallet. Okay, so while I'm waiting for those to show up in my balance, let me tell you what I went through and why this is the only one I actually trust. So my biggest mistake early on was thinking that if a platform looked professional, it was probably legit. I tried this one bot that had amazing branding, slick website, even video testimonials from users. Looked super credible. Deposited my funds, ran it for about 3 weeks, was seeing decent returns on the dashboard. Felt great. Then one day I logged in and the entire site was just gone. Domain didn't resolve, social media accounts deleted, everything vanished overnight. This AI bot has been consistent for 6 months straight. Same performance, same withdrawal process, same everything. No sudden changes, no disappearing acts. And here's something that really matters. The bot actually makes logical trading decisions. I can see in the console why it entered positions, when it took profits, why it set stop losses where it did. With scam platforms, the trades make no sense because they're not real. This shows actual trading logic that I can verify against market conditions. The non-custodial aspect saved me from another disaster. I almost tried a platform that required depositing into their smart contract, and literally the next week that platform got exposed as a rug pull. Everyone who deposited lost everything. With this, that scenario is impossible because my funds never leave my control. So if that sounds like what you're looking for, TradeSmart, link is in the description and pinned in the comments. And honestly, if this saved even one person from getting scammed, it was worth making the video. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.